Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss what could be causing your journal imports to fail, specifically when you're trying to import opening balances for your bank accounts. So you will notice if you try to import a journal like this with multiple bank accounts in different currencies, that Netsuite is going to fail you. It's not going to let you do it because we're trying to import all of this under a single journal entry. Now, if we go to NetSuite and we go to transactions and financial and make a journal entry, you will realize that if you select a subsidiary, or if you're not on a one world, if you select a journal entry, you will be asked for a currency for that journal entry. This means that whatever journal you're trying to create or import, it can only be in a single currency. You see here, so if I select a subsidiary first, all right, so of course I'm going to have that subsidiary's reporting currency as a standard, but maybe my bank account is in pounds, maybe it's in yen, maybe it's in Mauritian rupees or in euros or whatever. So whatever you're trying to create needs to be in a single currency. So if you're trying to import a journal that has multiple currencies, it's going to fail. Now be very careful. Let's say your trading company is in US dollar and these figures here are in US dollar. Then of course, if we set a little filter here, whatever you're importing in US dollar is going to be correct, okay? But you will need to add a new line for your opening balance in US dollar. So for example, and whatever that total is, you're going to have to be able to set that as a credit. Okay, so that way that journal will actually balance. Now let's go back to the other currencies. So let's say you've got, let's say, I don't know, you've got this Nigerian currency. Now be very careful here. You see on this document, it's showing us the reporting currency of the transaction, which let's say is US dollar. But the Nigerian currency should be showing 210. Now, because you're going to be importing this in the currency of NGN, you want that amount to be in NGN too. Don't forget about the exchange rate. Netsuite is going to convert that based on the date of your journal. Now, this cannot be transaction number one. This should be a second journal entry. So you're going to put a 2 here. And again, you're going to put this information. And it's also going to be a transaction number 2. And here we're going to go like this. However, this currency, you have to make sure that it's in the currency of the account, so it could be NGN instead of USD. Okay, so you're going to go down like this on euro and whatever currencies you have until each currency is taken care of in its individual journal. Now sort this by transaction number so that when you import, Netsuite is going to find the debits and credits for each transaction number without skipping a beat. Right, if you do that, then of course you're going to be able to import your balances correctly. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to leave a like or subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.